Hi, this is Jim Marr here at Kaplan Schweser with your CFA level test rapidly approaching. I'm sure you're nervous, you're anxious, and you're probably fed up studying. But I've got some test taking tips to help you cross that finish line. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here we are. We're on the final stretch. First up, you got to complete your mock exams to time. You better have 4 mock exams under your belt before you go sit for the real test. Now, what I mean to time, if you're going to level 1, you're going to have 2 hours and 15 minutes per session. Make sure you complete your 90 questions within that time limit. Take that optional break. You want to simulate your exam experience before you get in there. Now, also very important, got to go back and review those rationales for those questions that you missed or you guessed. Extremely important. Number 2, you got to get in there and take Q-Bank questions. I'm sure you're pretty tired of that, but you got to have thousands of questions complete before you get into that test. Now, financial statement analysis is a weakness, like many of us out there. Get into the Q-Bank, create a little 15-question quiz, take it, go back, review the ones that you missed and guessed again. Number 3, you got to reread those ethics. If you have the CFA Institute's handbook, excellent resource. Get in there, take a look at the book. Very important to look at those case studies so you can pick up those points, especially on the level 1 exam. Large part of your test. Don't leave points on the table here. Spend some time in ethics. And lastly, you've got to rest and exercise. You got to close the books, shut the computer, go for a run, hit the gym. More importantly, get in your car, go to dinner. You've earned it. Rest and exercise. Extremely important to keep you fresh and focused. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I wish you good luck on your exam. Take care. We'll see you again next time.